10 unique tool organizing ideas. The first step to organizing tools is to do a thorough inventory. Once you have a general idea of the tools on hand, sort them into like categories. Group all of the power tools, the small hand tools, and so on. Next, create zones and use cabinetry to keep the like items together. The best way to organize tools is to customize storage pieces to fit the space. For instance, purchasing a workbench is not nearly as effective as building one with specific storage spots for the tools you own. Many people prefer open concept storage in their workshops. Instead of storing tools and essentials inside cabinets, homeowners are opting to keep these items out in the open. Again, one of the most effective ways to keep a work surface clear is by having ample vertical storage space. Tools hidden away in tool boxes and drawers can be forgotten about or misplaced. So the more you can visually see on the walls, the better. Many people struggle with how to organize power tools that they use often, especially when they are in the midst of a big project. If you are in the process of renovating a home and find yourself struggling to keep your tools in order, consider adding a mobile workbench into the mix. The end of a cabinet or workbench is an ideal spot to add extra tool storage. Before you go out and buy wood for this project, check whether you have any scrap pieces you can use instead. Some tools don't make sense on a pegboard wall, or maybe they just won't fit in the space. Organize awkwardly sized items, such as paint rollers and tubes of chalk, inside clear plastic totes. And store the totes on an open shelving unit. Some workers like to save every spare screw, and some don't. If you are one of the former, make sure you have a system in place for sorting through all these miscellaneous items. Cordless power tools are wonderful as long as you don't lose track of their batteries and chargers. Build a custom charging station for your most used power tools, and make sure to add an outlet so the storage space is functional. Not everyone wants their tools out in the open. There is the risk of theft when expensive tools are visible from the outside in a garage or shed. If this is the case, store tools inside cabinetry that can be locked. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.